I'm going to teach you the controlling image with mouse using the Flash. First, we need to create a new Flash document or press Ctrl J on your keyboard. Set the width and height, whatever you want. It's like 600. Set the frame rate 28. Press enter. Call the current layer 1, double click it, and image. Press enter. Drag the feature that you want to use in this tutorial. Take the 3x form tool, center it to resize the feature. While the image is still selected, press F8 to convert to simple. Type image underscore MC and click OK. While the new made movie clip is still selected, go to Properties, Panel. On the left side, you will find the instance name. Type image underscore MC. Create a new layer, double click it and change action. Press enter. Copy this code to action panel. That's it. Test your movie, Ctrl J. See the output? The image is moving. See? For more info about this tutorial, email me at simply_gen19@yahoo.com. Thanks and God bless.